Let me show you how I pound my yam in under 2 minutes using my food processor. For this recipe, all we need is yam. So this is the yam that I've cut into cubes, basically big chunks, so that it will be easy for the food processor to grind it up. So I'll go on now to boil this yam until it's soft. I'll just transfer the yam cubes into the water and leave that to boil. You're not adding anything at all. So just cover this to boil for until it's soft, really. All right, so our yam has been boiling for about 15 minutes, and you can see how soft that is. The skewer goes straight all the way through, and yeah, so basically it's ready now. We're going to now go and grind it up. So in between, it's going to start overpouring after a while, so you can either leave the cover slightly open like this or open it all the way. And this is the good part. Now, depending on how soft you want your pounded yam to be, I know that some people like really hard pounded yam. I don't know why, but anyways, I like mine soft. So I'm going to add a bit of water in with the yam as well. So basically just pour it in there, and you can see there's a little water in there. I'm going to add a little bit more because I don't like it stiff at all. So very little. Then we're going to cover this. So be careful not to go. I think you should be able to see a little bit in there. So I'm now going to check if I'm happy with the texture, so I can add some more water now. So it's almost there. And then also scrape down the side. This is a big food processor, so it's going to spread around a lot. So just scrape it down to bring it all together. So if your food processor is really small, you won't have all this spreading issue. Remember, as soft as you want it to be. So you basically just let the food processor mix and grind it until it becomes a soft dough. So you can see, does that not look good? I think I still need to go a little bit more. It's still too hard for me, so just one final. So for some people, they can stop it here. This is what they like. So make sure you're doing this on the low speed. You could hear the difference in the high sound. So yeah, make sure it's on the low speed. There we go. Why do you want to go through the stress of using Odo ati Kinomankwe? Where you can have easy this thing. So just save for your food processor if you don't have. You'll love the journey. So let's just wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most of all, please leave a comment. Let me know that you watched, and let me know what you liked about this video and what you're going to be doing, how and when you're going to be trying it out.